In continuation with spreadsheet models, we have here auditing spreadsheet models, and it will be used for tracing the precedent and dependence to show the formula, evaluate, and check the error, and the watch window. Excel contains the variety of tools that will assist us in the development and debugging of the spreadsheet models. So we can find the um, auditing tool under the formulas tab, under the group of formula auditing, and it will display the options for the formula auditing. So we have here trace dependence, trace precedence, remove the arrows, show the formula, error checking and evaluate, and lastly is the watch formula or watch window. Now, this trace dependence and precedence button will be used after selecting a specific cell with a specific formula, and it will display an arrow pointing from the selected cell to cells that depend on the selected cell. And these tools are excellent for quickly ascertaining how parts of a model are linked, just like this one. This cell B13 has a formula coming from this range of cells from B5 until E7 and from B17 until E19. And it shows the arrow of the dependence where this um, formula are taking from the different cells. And this figure shows the trace dependence for the Foster generators model. Now, to see the formulas in a worksheet, you can simply click on any cell in the worksheet and then click on the Show Formulas. And aside from that, for example, if you are to display all the formulas on this current tab or current sheet, you can just use a combination of Control tilde. Now, the Evaluate Formula button allows us to investigate the calculations of a cell in a great detail. And this provides an excellent means of identifying the exact location of an error in a formula, just like this figure, which uses the Evaluate formula for the Gambrel manufacturing. And at B16, which is the order quantity, clicking on the B16 and clicking on the Evaluate formula on the Formulas tab, it shows on this window. It shows the expressions which is um, used in this cell. And this figure shows the Evaluate formula dialog box for the Gambrel manufacturing, which is located at cell B17. Okay, after clicking 4 times of the Evaluate button. For the error checking, okay, this button provides an automatic means of checking for mathematical errors within formulas of a worksheet. So clicking on the button of error checking causes the Excel to check every formula in the sheet for calculation errors. If there is an error found, an error checking dialog box appears as like this figure. Okay, it shows an error of division by 0. And the last button, the important button, is the watch window. Still, it's located in the formula auditing group under formulas tab. And this allows the user to observe the values of cells included in the watch window box list. And this is very useful for large models when not all of the model is observable on screen or when multiple worksheets are used. Like this one, using the watch window button of Gambrel manufacturing model, where it shows the watch window for cell B17.